Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Saturday the 18th of April 2020, and this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for Euro and Cable. And let's take a look at both charts for now, and you can see the weekly range for the Euro, which was consolidating about 180 pips with a slightly bearish close for the week, whereas for the British pound sterling it was about a 240 pip range, and spiked through the Kumo before pulling back down. Let's take a look at the Euro on a weekly time frame, and it could not break above the 110 resistance zone and pull back. There was support at the 21.4 fib retracement level, so it did not reach the 108 level, and consolidated for the rest of the week. So it's still constrained within this range here. Almost within the 2 fib levels. There could be a ranging week again this coming week, but with a slightly bearish look to it. Let's take a look at the daily time frame, and it could recover somewhat, but then it could try to retest the support zone at the 108 round figure level. If it does break lower, then we'll see if it goes down to the 107 or the lower 107 range. If the US dollar strengthens for next week. It's back to the weekly time frame. Let's also take a look at the monthly chart. And yes, it's also fairly bearish for the month thus far, after a very long wicked doji for previous month. So yes, this could continue to range within between these 2 fibs, and it may not be able to break lower, but we shall see. And at this time, it doesn't look as if it's going to break out higher as well. Let's take a look at British pound sterling. And initially, it tried to punch through the weekly Kumo, but failed and pull back below the 125 level. It's still just above the 50% fib and the Kijun, but with this strong selling for last week, there could be further bearish momentum and bias back down to the weekly Tenkan Sen, just above the 123 level. And if it does go deeper, then that's the 38.2 fib retracement, and that should probably hold as a key support zone here. All right. So that's about the 270, 280 pip range, and this will also support the bias for the US dollar for next week, which should be recovering stronger. All right, and also it will depend on some key UK economic news for next week, with employment report on Tuesday, flash manufacturing services PMIs on Thursday, and retail sales on Friday. So all expected to be bad, but it's just a matter of degree. All right, so do have a good trading week, and do check out my other videos on spot gold, dollar yen, and as well as the weekly analysis for euro, cable, and the Aussie dollar. Take care and cheers for now.